Okay, it is 3:40 p.m., 9/19/23, calling the Sherburne County Attorney's Office.
County Attorney's Office.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Well, I'm doing super. Say, this is Terry Nemmers. I just called about 20 minutes ago, I suppose.
Uh-huh.
I was asking to talk to Tim Sime,
Yep.
and you said he was away from his desk, and, after I got done talking to you, I went to my my tracking software for my website, and lo and behold, I found someone from Elk River, state of Minnesota, on my website. The IP address is 156.99.127.9. I'm just kind of wondering if that isn't Tim Sime himself.
I don't know.
Because I was kind of wondering if he has time to be on my website, he should have time to send me my data, which I asked him for, and I'm looking at my Gmail account, and I don't see any information there. So
I have no idea.
well, is Tim there so I could speak to him about this?
I can try his line again. Hold on.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, he's not picking up.
Well, do you happen to see a assistant county attorney standing around there?
No, I don't.
Do you happen to know if Kathleen Haney is in her office?
No, she's not. She's out of her office right now.
So which assistant county attorney is in their office right now?
I don't know, but Tim is the contact person for what you're looking for, so...
Well, the thing is, if someone's on my website during business hours, I think anyone who's there would be the person I need to talk to.
Let me transfer you, hold on a second.
Thank you. Yes, how are you doing today?
Very good.
Well, that's good. This is Terry Nemmers. I called about 3:03. I talked to the county administrator's office, and they referred me to your office, saying that the data practice officer was there. So I contacted your office, and I was informed it was Tim Sime, and then I was informed that he wasn't there. So I left a message with his voicemail, and then I checked my stat counter of my tracking software from my website, and lo and behold, not even before I'm finished speaking to leaving my message, Tim Sime appears to be on my website, or someone from state of Minnesota, Elk River, Minnesota. IP address 156.99.127.9. And I also checked my emails, and apparently my data is not there, so someone had time to be looking on my website but not processing my Data Practice Act request.
Sir, have you done a written request for data of Sherburne County?
I'm informing you right now, and I left a voicemail, which is a permanent record for that for the data request, and there's no law requires me to put anything in writing or even identify myself.
Well, sir, we normally require requests to be in in writing. I don't agree with your interpretation. I do think you have to identify yourself. The Data Practices Act is very complicated, and we have to create a record of who wants what. I'm not saying you're not entitled to what you want. I don't even know what you're asking for. Normally, we would try and respond to requests within 10 days, so it's not instantaneous. And as far as your website, sir, I have no idea on that. I have no idea. I'm not at your house or wherever you're at. I have no idea what you're talking about. My answer to you is if you want government data, put a request to us in writing. You can email it to us. Identify who you are. How would we give it to you so we can respond to your request? We get a large volume of them, so it's very common for us to get requests. I don't know of any county that I know of that takes them verbally.
Well, actually, I've done that many different times, so.
And I can't speak for other counties.
Well, I'm telling you that if you can show me the statute requires me to do that, I'd be more than happy to, but of course there is no statute that requires me to do that. The thing is, I've left a recording, which is a permanent record. I left my name, my phone number, and my email address, so you have my contact information. And the point of it is, instead of processing my data request, someone from Sherburne or someone from Elk River, state of Minnesota, was on my website looking around there instead of doing my data practice request.
Well, as I've indicated you,
I don't appreciate being interrupted, for one thing. When I get done speaking, then you may speak. How about we do that?
Sir, listen, I'm trying to be polite. I've already said to you, I can't respond to what you're looking at on your website.
Well, I already told you what the IP address is. You have tracking software there so you can see who's been on it. That's real simple.
I don't know the IP address on these computers. I'm not an IT guru. All I'm trying to do is be polite and respond to your requests. Mr. Sime will get back to you. Again, there's nothing in the rules that say it has to be an instantaneous response. He's a busy man.
Well, actually, it says it's supposed to be produced immediately or within 10 days. And if he has time to be glancing at my website instead of processing my data request, obviously he had time to process my data request instead of playing on my website. So
I have no information that Mr. Sime is playing on your website.
Well, the thing
I don't even know his schedule this afternoon.
Well, the thing is, I can easily send you a screenshot of what's there, and then you can send it to your IT person, and they can take a look at it for you. How about that?
I tell you what, I'm going to let Mr. Sime respond to your data requests. I'm sure he will, and we'll go from there, sir.
Oh, and what was your name again?
My name is Sam Wertheimer, Wertheimer.
And you're an assistant county attorney?
I am the chief deputy of the office. I'm second in charge of the office.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, you too. Bye.